Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set App Lock in your device Realme GT5. In this device Realme GT5, I'll show you how to enable App Lock. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Watch complete video and learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.